Hi, Fennville Middle School. I'm Dr. Betsy Alfieri at Alfieri Family Chiropractic.
Hi, Dr. Betsy. What is your job?
I am a doctor of chiropractic. And what a doctor of chiropractic does is we primarily focus on disorders or dysfunctions of the nervous system or neuromusculoskeletal system. Everybody has a spinal cord and a spinal column. And our spinal column is surrounded by these bones called vertebrae. A doctor of chiropractic looks for misalignment in those vertebrae and does a simple procedure called an adjustment. An adjustment relieves pressure on the nerves that come off the spinal column, and then that allows for the body to function properly.
How long have you been at your current job?
I've been a doctor of chiropractic at Alfieri Family Chiropractic for 16 years.
And what kind of education or training has helped you get to this point in your career?
When I graduated from Fennville High School in 1996, I then went on to college for 2 years at a community college and studied pre-chiropractic and pre-medical science. At that point, after I completed the 2 years, I went to Western Michigan University to finish my further education. Then, at that point, after I was done with 4 years of education, I then went on to get my doctorate at Palmer College of Chiropractic.
Have you had any previous or relevant jobs to this title?
No, I have actually worked at Alfieri Family Chiropractic for the last 16 years. When I graduated from chiropractic school, I knew that I wanted to come back to the Fennville-Saugatuck area. So I've spent my time here in Saugatuck, Michigan, being a chiropractor.
All right. What do you do on a daily basis, or what does it look like in your office in a work week?
Typically, on a daily basis, we see anywhere from 30 to 40 patients, and we treat our patients for a variety of neuromusculoskeletal conditions. We do various adjustments and soft tissue adjustments. Adjustments, again, as I stated earlier, are just we look for misalignments along the vertebral column, and we put them back in place with a gentle pressure called an adjustment. Those adjustments, when they're done effectively, help alleviate a lot of aches and pains and restore normal function to the nervous system.
And what might middle school students find interesting about your job?
I think that chiropractic is very interesting for middle school students because middle school is a key time for growth. Your body during the years of middle school goes through many changes, and a lot of those various changes occur right along the spinal column. So as time goes on and you're growing and stretching, you might notice that you have aches and pains or that the curves in your spine change. At that point, it would be very advantageous to see a doctor of chiropractic, and I know of a good one in your area of Fennville.
What are some challenges of your job, or what gives you satisfaction in the workplace?
I always get the greatest satisfaction when I can help a patient, and typically we have a high success rate of helping patients. Sometimes, though, there's patients that are more challenging and have issues that we have to refer out to other specialized doctors. And in chiropractic school, we are taught very specifically how to do that. I may have a patient that has a pain in their spinal column, but it's really coming from an organ somewhere else inside the body. So typically we will refer out for that. But as a doctor of chiropractic, you need to be trained to know that the issue may be coming from somewhere else inside the body so that you can provide the best and most effective care for the patient.
And what are some perks or experiences that your job provides?
Being a doctor of chiropractic is different from being other healthcare providers in that we are not affiliated with a hospital. That helps me and allows me to set my own schedule. I have 4 little girls who also attend Fennville Public Schools, and it allows me the freedom to be a parent to them and be able to do a lot of the activities that I would like to do with them. So being a doctor of chiropractic allows you the freedom to set your own schedule and also provides a very comfortable living so that you can support your family.
And what does the future of your field look like?
The future of our field looks incredible. There's always going to be people with aches and pains, and there's always going to be people that need a neuromusculoskeletal adjustment. So chiropractic looks bright for the future, and I thank you for your time. Good luck, Fennville Middle School. Stay safe.